how to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok Android. To remove or reduce the you may like suggestions on TikTok for Android, you can't disable them entirely, but you can train the algorithm to show fewer of them. So to do that, go ahead and long press or select a video that you want to remove and then click on not interested from here. So click on the share button for that video and then click on not interested, and then go ahead and enter your feedback in here of why you don't want to see more videos like this. Now another thing you can do is to go ahead and clear your cache. So head over into your profile and then click on the menu button at the top right of your screen, and then from here click on settings and privacy. So from here look for clear cache. So look for free up space, and then go ahead and click on the clear button at the right side of cache to reset some algorithmic data. And the last thing you need to do is to go ahead and refresh your For You page. So interact more with content you actually enjoy, and like, comment, and follow creators you want to see more of. Avoid engaging with you may like content, even watching it counts as interest. And that is how you can basically remove you may like suggestions on TikTok Android.